every time we found out that instead of a moment of silence, we might make a joyful noise to the Lord, and we do this for as long as we can put it up, and to let people inside know that we're here, and then let them ask why we are here. So, 1, 2, 3.
Contra Costa County and the Social Justice Alliance for leading this wonderful service. Thank you. Next month, it's the students from Notre Dame, Dinamore, and Belmont, and we have a lot